Hi, students. Dr. Cohen here. I am going over a little bit about how to do a peer review of your paper. This little clip that I'm going to show you actually comes from a different class, but it goes over kind of the process. I think it's a little bit different for this one because there's fewer comments that are required, but I just want you to see the clip so you can see what I'm looking for here as far as how to do the highlights and the comments. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and play this clip for you. Paper. Okay, so in this assignment of reviewing another student's paper, you're going to use some tools. And the two main tools are highlighting and leaving comments. So basically, let's start with this. I would just go ahead and copy this out in this little table with the highlight colors. And I thought I would go over this for you. So I think I have it all set. Let me see if I can do this. Yeah, there we go. So that goes at the top. And then if you see mechanical errors such as spelling and grammar, and a little tip on that, often spelling and grammar in Word documents are underlined in red for spelling errors and blue for grammatical errors. So just highlight them if you see them. I'm not saying there are any in this, but I'm going to do this. So I'm highlighting it, and then you see you've got this highlighter, and if it's a mechanical error, it's going to be highlighted in yellow. So there's that. If it's a citation error, it's going to be highlighted in green. Okay, and if it is that the information it is not common knowledge and doesn't have a citation at the end of it. So let me give you an example here. So you can see at the end of this sentence, I give you the source, right? If I'm putting out information and it doesn't have a source at the end of it and it's not general knowledge, what you're going to do is you're going to come to the end of the sentence and you're going to sorry, it should be blue. Make that blue and see, and that's an indication when it's at the end of the sentence that the problem is that related to not citing a source. And in addition to that, you're also going to provide comments. So maybe here at the bottom of the first paragraph, I right click and I hit new comment. And my comment is, great job introducing your literature. Whatever it is. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. And then make sure you hit this little button. And now the comment has been added. You see how I do that? For those of you that may not have Word or access to Word, you're welcome to upload the document. And I think I have it somewhere. There we go. So here's the same document, only this time it's in the Google Drive. Here again, you're going to need to paste the box. And here, I'm just going to make this. Okay. I'm not going to bother trying with that. But the same color coding and, you know, like right here, spelling error, right? So do this. I probably should have checked how to highlight with this. Okay, tools. All right. Well, I honestly don't know how to highlight using this, so you're going to have to look it up. But I can tell you, so you can, oh, maybe that's, okay. So you're gonna have to figure out how to highlight it, but you can always add a comment by hitting comment. And here again, great job here. Or maybe this needs a citation. And then you're going to make sure you hit comment. Okay, so now the comments are there and your person can find that. Okay. And I apologize for not knowing how to, oh, there it is, it's right there. So we do that, and we go here and yellow. Okay, that's how you highlight. It's right there. All right, let's go back to this. Okay, so you can use different colors if you want to, but basically the highlights are about the citations, so and mechanical errors, and both the citations in the document, the in-text citations, but then the reference list. If there's errors there, highlight them. And if they make the same error multiple times, you can make a comment that says only the first word of the title is capitalized, or the things like that often people will repeat multiple times. Okay, so all right. So I wanted to get a chance, so that you're not confused by this, to show you. You're also going to have to. Oh, please stop talking to me. Okay. I wanted to show you the overview of the paper, of the assignment here. Okay. So this is the peer review assignment from Folio for this class. And you see that it's the same, but here is the grading rubric. So all the errors are highlighted, and then at least 9 comments using the framework from the grading rubric for the final paper. So you're going to want to spend some time looking at what's the final paper going to look like, and making sure that their draft aligns with it, and write comments. That'll be helpful to get them to the point where they can have the paper. Okay, so 9 comments, at least 2 should be positive. Okay. So that's a little bit about how to do the review. Make sure you upload it, follow the course schedule. And I guess if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to email me with your questions. Thank you. Bye now.